Hi dear friends, and this is Blender. And let's see today how the Boolean modifier works. So this is our cube, let's transform it a little bit. Like this, for example. And create one more cube. Okay? And transform it a little bit too. Now let's see. We have something like two objects, one inside another one. Okay, and let's choose the first one, this one, for example, and let's go to modifiers. Modifiers, add modifier, our Boolean modifier. So now here there are three possibilities. We choose the object and now we have to choose another object because there have to be two objects involved. Another one is the second one. Okay, now we have two objects and let's choose which of those actions we want to use. Let it be intersect. So you can see the main object is the first one chosen. This is the second one. Let me do it invisible. Now you see we have the intersection of two objects. Okay. Let's see another possibility, union. Now the two objects are together, but don't forget to apply modifier, because if you did not, it doesn't work. Let's apply. Now see they're together. And this is the second cube, which I have to do it invisible or to delete it if you don't need it. So this is our two objects together. Okay, let's do Ctrl Z and choose the difference. Now let's see, what do we have? We have I'll remove the second object, and I have the situation where the second object is cut out from the first one. Okay, so you can do a lot of things like this, windows, doors, and so on. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.